Hi everyone, this is my new camera. Oh, it fell down. And I'm going to try and put it all together. Oh, and I'm going to have fun trying to figure out what goes where. But there's no instructions. It just tells you what each part is. But it doesn't say what these sticky pads are for. Can someone tell me what they're for, please? Thank you. Yeah, so after I do what I gotta do, I'm going to try and put it together, and I might even put it on here so people can watch me be silly. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks. Bye. Don't forget to rattle them bones.